Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. I'm Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and today on the MR-1, I'm going to be machining some Nitro-V Stainless Steel. Super pumped about this. I've never machined Nitro-V Stainless Steel in my entire life, so doing it on the MR-1 is going to be something new. Not only because it's the MR-1, but because it's Nitro-V Stainless. So, let's go ahead, put it in the machine, and see what happens. Sorry about moving the camera, guys. I'm trying to do this without stopping. I want to bring you the raw, uncut, unedited footage so you can see the real, true picture of what's happening here. So I want to try to get this all in one cut. Oh, look at that, I'm making a mess. So this is 20 thou step over, full depth of cut. The material is 95 thousandths thick. I'm running 6,000 RPMs on a 5 flute end mill from Haas Tooling. Ends up being 1 thou chip load. Once this is finished, I'll show you the end mill that I use. You can see I can get a little bit of color on those chips. So there's two things I can do. I can slow the RPMs down. But hey, as long as they're only purple or straw colored chips, we're okay. I want the heat to come out in the chip. If the material itself heats up, it'll work harden, and that end mill will snap, like right now. That's the thing about stainless steel. If you don't take a big enough cut, you'll be leaving the heat in the material, which will work harden it, and it will snap your end mill. So you need to take a big enough cut to ensure the heat leaves in the chip. Sometimes guys think because it's stainless, you know, they get overly cautious and they take such a thin pass, the material work hardens. Also, too many RPMs will also work harden the material. So. I don't know if I can zoom in anymore and still have a clear shot. Nah, it's getting a little grainy. Back out a little bit. It's back all the way out. All right, I'm gonna sit you guys over here just for a second while I grab this part. So this is going to be a cutlery masterpiece. Read through the lines, you'll get what I'm saying. This is the handle right here, and this is the pointy part. So yeah, look at that. Beautiful cut. The end mill is this guy right here. So it's 15th radius. Part number right there. I'm not sponsored by Haas Tooling, but they do make some really good stuff. So there you go. Anyways, if you have any questions about machining Nitro-V stainless steel, put them in the comments section below. If you have any questions about the MR-1, put those in the comments below. I always love talking with you guys, and I like to answer the questions. So thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.